are the horses for race number 2, field of 7. 6 furlongs, Superfacta, Triacta, Exacta. Wagering number 1 is Chula. Freddie Fuentes on board. Peter Fuller owns, Jess Mankey trains. Number 2, English Karamak. Dwight Lewis, the rider. Bill Allen owns, Bobby Allen trains. Number 3, Bobby Allen also trains. Naughty 2, Karen Couch owns. Juan Gonzalez, the jockey. Number 4, Trevor Simpson up on Just to Love. Chris Cunnington owns, Les Adams trains. Number 5, Star Princess, ridden by Philip Clunas. Daryl and Danny Oberholzer own. Danny Oberholzer trains. And number 6 is Naughty Kitten. Cassandra Blatter owns. Bucky Stockwell trains. Laris Ellum, the rider. And number 7, Valentino McBean aboard Comanche Bound. Barb Norlander owns and trains. There's your field of 7 going to post in approximately 6 minutes. 6 minutes to post.